Morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. So today I am getting ready for work. Right now I am about to make myself some breakfast. I usually don't eat breakfast, but I have these banana pancakes from yesterday and I have to have them this morning. They are very good. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Make myself a cup of tea because I'm a tea girl. Eat my pancakes and then I have to start cooking because I'm making dinner to carry with me for work. So there's a lot to be done in a short amount of time because it's already after 10 and I have to be out of the house by 1:45. So it's a lot. I don't know where to prompt you guys because this tripod that I have is just so flimsy. I don't want to bring out the big tripod, but I'm probably gonna have to do that because this is not doing it for me. Now, oh, see. Okay. These are the pancakes from yesterday. They are banana pancakes and y'all, these are so bomb. I can't give you guys a recipe because I didn't make them, but trust and believe these are good. I'm heating up my pancakes on the stove because I don't have a microwave, and that is by choice, by the way. I had an air fryer, but it broke down on me. It had enough of me, so I threw it out. I haven't had the time to look for a new one. I'll do that soon. So right now I've been just heating my food on the stove and so far so good. I don't have any complaints about it. Of course it takes a little while longer than a microwave would, but it's okay. It's doable. Right now I have my rice on the stove because thinking of making, well, I'm not thinking because I am going to make just a quick fried rice with tofu and kimchi. So my rice right now is cooking. These pancakes though, I'm not gonna lie, they're good. They are a little burnt, which I don't mind, which I actually like. Because one thing about me when I'm eating, I love my food dry. I know I get a lot of smack for it, but I love to eat my food dry. I don't really care for sauces. You know, like if I'm eating a burger, I would put a little bit of mayo, but for the rest, I can just eat it, just the bun, the burger, just as dry as it is. I don't know. I even find it tastes way better like that than to have it like all soggy in sauce. So the fact that these are a little burnt and they look dry is actually how I like it. It's 11 o'clock and I still have to cook. I still have to get ready. My wig is starting to lift at the front, so I have to stick that down before I leave the house. Yeah. I'm always rushing. I just ate my breakfast. Right now I'm getting everything prepped for my tofu kimchi fried rice, and I got this recipe, but actually she didn't give me the recipe, she just gave me the idea to make like a tofu kimchi fried rice, and I'm just thinking things to add to it as I go. I have no idea how this is gonna taste, but I have a good feeling about it. And by the way, there's a lot of planes going up and down. I live close to the airport, so you guys are gonna hear, I don't know if you guys can hear, but if you hear any noises, there's just planes passing through. Just finished cooking my rice. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Okay y'all, so this is the rice. Just finished cooking it and it's cooked perfectly because I was a little scared that I might have added a little bit too much water, but it's fine. So these are the ingredients I'll be using today. I have my tofu, a bell pepper, tomatoes, some mushrooms, carrots, and I'm also going to be adding olives because I love olives, and of course my kimchi. This is homemade kimchi. I did not make it myself, so I can't give you guys a recipe, but I want to try making this myself pretty soon. So I might have a recipe for you guys in a month time. But yes, this is what I'll be adding to my rice, so let's get cooking. So right now it's looking very good. I almost forgot to add the kimchi and the olives. Time for a taste test. Not yet. Needs a little bit of love still. Taste test number 2. Now we're talking. This is good. I'll show you guys real quick. This is it, y'all. So my battery about to die. I only have one battery, so, and it's 12 o'clock, so I have to get ready. I don't think I'm gonna come back on here because, yeah, I don't think it's gonna charge in time, but probably gonna catch you guys up tomorrow. But this fried rice, yo, this is good. But see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. So today is a new day, and guess what? I am free, no work today, so we're taking it easy. Yesterday was crazy. I was rushing for no reason because I went to get ready 12 o'clock. In my mind it's 1 o'clock, but it was actually 12 o'clock, and I had like so much time to get ready. So actually I could have filmed me getting ready. But anyway, right now I'm drinking my tea because I'm a tea girl. If you didn't know, now you know. I love tea. I drink tea multiple times a day. It doesn't matter if it's 40 degrees, 60 degrees outside, I'm drinking a cup of tea. So that's what I'm doing now. And later today around 3 o'clock, I'm going out with a friend, and we have reservations to go out to eat at this Japanese, it's Japanese or Asian, I think it's Japanese restaurant. So I'm excited about that. I never had Japanese barbecue, so I'm excited, y'all. I need to figure out what I'm gonna wear because I was trying to brainstorm a little bit last night. I think I have an idea, but I need to put it together to see if it actually works. So once I'm finished with my tea, I will head upstairs and try to figure that out, and I guess start getting ready because I'm not rushing today. I have a lot of time to get ready. It's after 10. Let's see. Well, it's 11 o'clock right now, so I have more than enough time to get ready. I'm not rushing today. Today we're taking it easy. And I have to be on time because we have reservations. So right after I figure out what I'm wearing, I think I'm gonna just start getting ready. So see you guys upstairs. I think I have an outfit. I decided to wear these brown trousers along with this blouse. Don't know exactly what shoes I'm wearing yet, but we have something. Okay, y'all, so we have something to wear. I figured out the shoe and the bag. I'm going back downstairs and fix this situation. I have to stick this down and start doing my makeup. Take a shower first. This time around I'm taking a shower first and then do my makeup. And yeah, let's go back. I am dressed, ready to go. I am on time. Let me show you guys the fit. So this is what I'm wearing. Brown trousers, and I have this blouse and a cute little purse. It looked like it's about to rain, so I added this over my outfit. This is what it looks like. It's still cute. Y'all, my shoe's making so much noise right now. But yes, this is it. I have to go, so I'll see you guys when I get there. So you guys, I am back at home. I'm on the couch right now because I can barely move. We ate way too much food. Right now, I am... What am I doing? See, I can't even think. I can barely breathe, y'all. But it was a good time. We had fun. And I'm definitely going back to that restaurant. We call an Uber because... y'all, it was too much. As a matter of fact, let me just call to see if she made it home, because my girl was really out of it. Let me just see if I get her. Yeah, she had a cocktail and she was gone. Let's just see. Ben je thuis aangekomen?
Ja, ik lig al in bed. Ik heb een kleren niet eens uit.
Jij bent echt niet serieus.
Ik ben gewoon zo van, ik heb gewoon zo'n dingen busy, man.
Echt waar?
Ja, ik ga straks wel verder met uitvliegen, hoor. Ik ben even tussen het rust of zo, weet niet.
Oké. Is goed.
Ja.
Ik spreek je. Ja, doei. Okay, so basically she went straight to bed. Y'all, she was really out of it, but it was a good time. Anyway, right now I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Take off this makeup because I had enough of it. Take off this wig because I'm hot. The weather is so warm. And start editing this video for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.